Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. This is me Aslam and you are watching me on Miss USA channel. Thanks to each and every one of you for coming back every day to learn, to listen, to grow your mind, to be able to make a difference in your speaking skills, in your personal and professional life. And you know that I'm always focused on finding you, and I'm so grateful for being here. For today's lesson, because I am gonna show you how to make guesses in English. Well, sounds good. We make guesses by using modal verbs must, can't, may, might and could, and we can make guess by using some other expressions too. This is what I'm gonna teach you today. But before we get started, I'd love to draw your attention. If you haven't watched my previous lesson, I'll give you a link in the description below, or you can find over here or here, but not now. You can check it out after watching this lesson. And one thing, if you are new here or if you all are new here, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed it, and press the bell button beside subscribe button so you don't miss any new notification of any YouTube videos I post. So without further ado, let's begin the class. Modal verbs for making guesses in the present are must, can't, may, might and could. Must is used when you are certain or almost certain that something is true. For example, everyone is carrying an umbrella. It must be raining. Can't is used when you are certain something is not true. For example, no one is eating the pizza. It can't be tasty. Might, may and could are used when you are not certain about something, but there is a possibility. These three have the same meaning, but may is slightly more formal. Here are some examples. Alex didn't come to work today. He might be sick. Lucy isn't here yet. Her train may be late. Why didn't Jack call? He could be sleeping. Now listen to a conversation with two people making guesses. Who is that man in the red shirt? I am not sure, but he might be Aman's dad. Look, Aman is talking to him now. He must be his dad. Yeah, and the woman next to him may be his mom. You can use also these three modal verbs to make guesses about the past, but the grammar is little bit different. It goes like this: modal verb plus have plus past participle. So let's take a look at a few examples. Ayush is really wet now. He must have walked in the rain. Here the modal verb is must plus have plus past participle walked. He must have walked in the rain. Remember, we use must when you are certain something is true, but in this case we are certain that this action happened in the past. Now let's move on the next one that I have for you. Vishal couldn't have stolen your phone yesterday. He's in Delhi. Here the modal verb is could not plus have plus past participle stolen. We use this when we are certain something did not happen in the past. And we can use may or might plus have plus past participle to show that we are not certain that something happened in the past, but it is a possibility. Here are two examples. The burglar might have escaped through the window. Second is Rob may have drunk my coffee. Now listen to a conversation between two people making guesses about the past. Oh, look, there's a puppy running around the park by itself. Oh yeah, why do you think it is by itself? I am not sure. It might have escaped from its home. I don't know, there aren't any houses around here. It must have run away from its owner home. We should see if it needs help. Okay, let's help it. On top of modal verbs, we can use some different expressions for making guesses, and here are some really common ones. I bet. If I had to take a guess, I would say looks like. So let's take a look at some examples. I bet Rahul will leave work early today. He always leaves early. If I had to take a guess, I would say you are from England. It looks like weather is going to be nice this weekend. Now listen to our conversation and listen for the expression we use to make a guess. Who do you think is going to win the Premier League this season? If I had to take a guess, I would say Liverpool. Really? I bet Tottenham will win it this season. That's not a bad guess. It looks like they are building a really good team. Okay, everyone, now you can make guesses perfectly in English. Be sure to try all of these the next time you make guesses in English. So that's it from me, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to share. So I'll see you next lesson. Stay safe.